think I just cried my last tears and it changed something in me. Today I cried my last tears, not because the pain was gone, but because I couldn't carry it the same way anymore. My heart was beating so loud, I felt it in my throat, like it was trying to say something I didn't have words for. So I looked back at who I used to be, the version of me I barely recognize now, the past, the present, all tangled, all confusing. Memories started replaying, the good ones, then the ones I tried to forget, and right there, everything paused. Because life doesn't stop, it keeps moving, second by second, step by step, like a rhythm you don't choose, but you still have to follow. The good, the bad, the highs, the lows, all of it, part of the song. And somewhere in it, I saw myself not as I am now, but as a shadow of who I used to be. The light felt distant, the joy felt faded, like even my reflection was tired, like it knew something I didn't. That time doesn't slow down and nothing here lasts forever. But listen, what feels like breaking isn't the end, because even now I'm still walking, still leaving something behind. Every step a mark, every moment a message. And maybe that's the point, that this life isn't just about surviving it, but about what you leave in it. The discipline, the effort, the faith to believe you were made for something, because you were. And one day when I'm gone, this won't end with me. The song keeps going through the people I love, through the lives I've touched, through the footsteps that follow mine, because this was never just my life. It was a lifelong song.